Assalamualaikum friends, and hello everyone. Welcome back to Twinkle Twinkle Reading Stars. Today we're going to be reading Pip's Pet, Bad Dog Digby by Claire Llewellyn and Jacqueline East. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing those names wrong. Pip had a dog called Digby. Sometimes Digby was a good dog, but sometimes he was bad. Pip and Digby liked to play together. Sometimes they played with Digby's ball. "Catch," said Pip. Sometimes they played with Digby's bone. Digby liked this game. "Good dog, Digby," said Pip. But one day, Digby chewed Mum's boots. Mum was cross. "Bad dog, Digby," she said. Then Digby ran after the cat. The cat was cross. "Meow," she said. The postman came to the house. Digby chewed his shoes. "Bad dog, Digby," said Pip. Then Mum saw Digby playing in the bin. "Oh, Digby," said Mum, "what a mess." Mum was very cross. She took Digby upstairs. "It's time for a wash," she said. Mum put Digby in the bath. Mum and Pip gave him a wash. Digby was tired. He fell asleep. But not for long. "Oh no," said Pip. "Bad dog, Digby." Okay guys, that's the end of the book. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was such a silly book. I love the whole story about how Digby was so nice at the start, but then became so naughty. Bad dog, Digby. So guys, that's the end of the story. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment to Twinkle Twinkle Reading Stars. For now, bye and Allah Hafiz.